Welcome back, looters. I am your host on Tick to Loot, the channel where we turn ticks into treasure. Today we are on lesson 1.2 of Unit 1. What is Forex? In this lesson, we're going to cover the Forex market hours and trading sessions. By the end of this video, you will understand how the Forex market works and why sessions matter. Let's get into it. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. This means you can trade at any time, but it's closed on weekends. Think of it like a global store that's always open, except on Saturdays and Sundays. There are 4 main sessions in the Forex market: Sydney, Tokyo, London, and New York. Each session has its own open and close times in GMT. These sessions are like different time zones, where different parts of the world are active at different times. These sessions overlap, and the London and New York overlap is the most liquid and active period. This is like a big party where everyone is trading, making it the best time to be in the market. Certain pairs move more during their home session. For example, Euro to US dollar moves most during the London and New York sessions. This is like a local event where the people in that region are more interested in trading that pair. Another example is Australian dollar to US dollar, which is more active during the Sydney and Tokyo sessions. This is like a regional event where the people in that region are more interested in trading that pair. Session overlap equals higher volume, and higher volume equals better quality price moves. This is like a busy street, where more people means more opportunities for price movement. In summary, understanding the Forex market hours and trading sessions is crucial for your trading. It helps you identify the best times to trade and which pairs to focus on. Remember, session overlap and volume are key to making better trades. Now, let's apply this knowledge to a trade. If you're trading Euro to US dollar, you want to focus on the London and New York sessions, where the pair is most active. You would also want to look for times of high volume, where the price moves are more significant. The key takeaway from this lesson is that understanding the Forex market hours and trading sessions is essential for your trading success. It's not just about trading at any time, but about trading at the right time, with the right pair, and with the right volume. That is everything for lesson 1.2, the Forex market hours and trading sessions. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to Tick to Loot so you never miss a lesson. Drop a comment below. What was the most useful thing you learned today? See you in the next lesson, looters. Keep turning those ticks into treasure.